Repousse. That's a fancy French word for foil relief. This project seems to be one of the favorites on the YouTube channel, so I thought I'd update it a little bit. I'm going to start with a base of cardboard and then try to use as many different pieces of cardboard that I can actually cut out for my design. I'm going to make a shield just to see if I can make something interesting with matte board pieces and pieces from, I think it was a crayon box. That'll work good for a nice layer of cardboard. I want 2 or 3 layers built up in the center of my shield to give me some depth. The next step is a favorite for the students. You're going to smear glue all over the cardboard. Make sure everything is glued down before you do this step or things will start sliding around. Put the foil down shiniest side up and gently press it to the cardboard. You want to smooth out as many of those wrinkles as possible. I'm just going to tape the excess to the back. Here you can see all the different layers of cardboard that have shown up under the foil. Press it down into all those cracks so you definitely see the different layers. I'm going to paint a layer of acrylic paint on top of this foil, and then I'm going to let it dry. Acrylic paint will come off the foil very easily, so we just take a piece of paper toweling and burnish off the top surface. You want that acrylic paint to sit in the creases and the cracks to give that depth of your project. Let's see if you can see it if I give you a close-up. You don't have to use just black. If your students want to use other colors and experiment that way, that's fine also. I've also done this project where I've colored it with Sharpies instead of using acrylic paint. That creates a different effect. Give this one a try in your classroom. Thanks for visiting the art room.